Solopreneurs, you want 2 finished shorts before your fries get cold? Well, I want you to watch this. Now here's the twist. You won't touch an editor. VidMasher writes a script, builds full scenes, auto-attaches your CTA, captions it, and publishes, so you actually eat lunch, not babysit software. Normally, it's 7 tabs and 7 tiny fires: scripts, voice, avatars, editing, captions, CTA, uploads. Hours are gone. Scenes don't float. Dinner gets bumped again. VidMasher flips that. It's 1 sentence in, prompt to published output. Continuity locked so it feels like it's pro. CTAs are baked in so your views turn into clicks. Captions and platform-specific metadata are done for you. Each platform does the heavy lifting. Publish, 1 click, and then back to your life. So let's run the lunch test. 1 line, start the clock. Here's the interesting part. Hands-on time, it's about 30 seconds to set it up. The rest runs while you eat. 2 shorts before lunch and your sanity's back. So let me show you exactly how it's done. Okay, in this first video, we are going to make AI shorts. And I'm just using AI to capture a topic. We'll click the AI short button. Click add, and then I'm going to put a title and a topic. Choose a duration, a content style, narration, yes, friendly person. And then we're going to click the image model. You have a lot of choices, and then we have the video model that we're going to choose. And this is the one I like best, is the WAN 2.2. And we're going to put captions on it in the middle, add a whoosh between each clip, and a call to action video. This is your Moneymaker. And then we're going to type the own API keys, avoid common AI words, and turn it active, and hit update. And a few minutes later, it's going to be done.
Stop using 2019 hooks. They are killing your views in 2026. The old rule was hook in 3 seconds. Now the first frame decides everything. People scroll with sound off, so your visual hook must explain the video instantly. In 2026, the hook is not a line. It is the clearest story packed into 1 frame.
And here's the CTA offer that we put at the very end. And it bakes it all in. This is ready to publish. Now, real quick, that first video took about a minute to set up, and it's all ready to publish. In about 7-8 minutes is what it took to actually render and finish everything out. Now, this next one is very quick. It's an ASMR video, and it's very special effects, and they're cutting through marble and stone. It's a pretty cool video. Let's take a look. This takes less than a minute to set up, and add your CTA to make it ready to publish. Okay, on this one, we are going to create an ASMR video. Simply click on it, go down and click add. And then you just need some description. It doesn't matter what it is. I always put the date and what run number it is. Okay, we choose our model, 3.1. This is the best one for what we're doing. And aspect ratio, you can do both wide and tall. Call to action, I'm going to glue my CTA on the back end of it. And then we're going to click active. And there's the approximate cost because we do several slide things. And then we click update. And a few minutes later, we have a finished product. It's completed and we're ready. And here's our CTA offer. So I have both a wide version and a tall version. And as you can see, it doesn't take very long to do. So we've got a couple of videos ready to post, and we do have an upload post module in there so you can automatically tag them and schedule them out. Now, I'm going to use these two for Facebook ads and Instagram ads. So I'm going to download them and then manually insert them into my Facebook account. Very easy to do. You could set up 3 or 4 of these, go to lunch, come back, they're all done, ready to go. You don't have to watch them, and you don't have to have multiple tools. This is a very efficient way to create a lot of videos that are professional looking, and they give you the diversity that you need all in one dashboard. So check it out. It's vidmasher.com, and we'll see you on the inside.